back to the tutorial for deep learning. Now we're going to see interesting things that is called the image classification using deep learning with Python. That means how we can achieve image classification for the custom dataset with the help of deep learning models like Alexnet with Resnet 101. So before that, you have now some idea about image classification. We can simply define image classification is the one of the computer vision tasks. With the help of this one, what we can do, we can categorize and label the collection of pixels based on specific rules and can categorize or recognize certain objects within image. Suppose if a image, we can train the image and detect whether there is what we can do like that. So with this help of this image classification, at last on this training this Resnet 101 and Alexnet model, we are going to predict. We are going to feed the input images to the model and let the model can predict the result. That means what kind of animals present in the images, and also try to print out the class as well as the name of the animals with a percentage of certainty also. So this is a part 1 video. We are going to see the first few things. So image classification idea, and if you want to continue this kind of project in Google app, you need a support of Python 3, Python, Google app, Google Colab and so on. And now what are things we can do on Resnet 101. So before going that one, here now about Resnet 101, because previous session I explained about Resnet 50. So here Resnet 101 is one of the deep convolution neural network that also belongs to the family of Resnet family here. And with the help of this one, what we can do means we can do n number of things. That means the architecture generally consists of 101 layer deep network, where the 101 refers to the number of layers here, and also the specialty of using the Resnet 101 is skip connections or residual connections. What the use of skip connection means, these connections generally allow the input to bypass one or more layers and also make it easier for the model to learn residual mappings also. And we can resolve the vanishing gradient problem because we are always dealing with the deep learning networks here. And if any pre-trained model, we can train with the help of this architecture very easily, and there will be a guarantee of good accuracy also. And generally the Resnet 101 architecture consists of layers, and some layers like stage 1 consists of 64 filter and stage 2 consists of 28 and so on. And remember this Resnet 101 also similar to CNN family, similar to Resnet model only, some other model only, and it always start with a 7x7 convolution layer followed by a max pooling layer and then proceed by the subsequent layers too also. And Resnet 101 generally applicable for the field like computer vision, or you can say exactly image classification, image classification, then you can say semantic segmentation and so on and so on. Let's go for the tutorial now. So what are things we are going to do? The first step number initially one, that is we are going to initial the matplotlib. Then we are going to, and remember with the help of this image classification we have to achieve single as well as a multiple class single label classification as well as multi-level label classification also. So here step number, what we are going to do means, here first we are going to install the package, then we are going to read the image. For reading the image, remember if you want to execute this project, you have to download some image and keep in your G drive, and you have to download a supporting file. So here we have to give, after giving this one plt im show, with the help of this one it display the information. Then next step is we are going to transform according to the Resnet Alex model. For this one we are writing the coding like from torchnet import transform is equal to transform dot compose. At last we are end with the colon, and then we are writing the transport. The next step is transformed underscore input image called transform input image. This is also one of step required. That means applying the transform to the input image, then analyzing the shape of the image. So if you want to analyze the shape of the image, you can give the function like printf transformed underscore printf transformed underscore input image dot shape that like that. So to display the, it will help to analyze. Then you can write the code called import h followed by image underscore batched, because this is helpful to converting the data into the batch format. And now you can see next step we are going to write how to do single label classification with using Resnet and Alexnet. Here, so for this one we are going to write the code by default, very easy only. So we are to write Resnet is equal to Resnet dot model dot Resnet dot 101 pre-trained is equal to true and so on. Then we are going to load the Resnet model. So for loading only, you are writing like this, that is say Resnet is equal to models dot Resnet 101 3 times true and like that. After loading, you can go for read the ImageNet class text file from the Google Drive. For this one we are writing predict the output index of the class. So before that I just now told you, so you have download some file from there. GitHub course is there. I want thank for GitHub. So you can write the code, the file name is called ImageNet 1000 classes.txt. After that, after copying in your G drive, you can replace here. Then you can write predicted something, it will display 787 followed by shield, buckler and so on, like some information. Then you can call the Alexnet model, then predicting the output index of the class again once again, and we can give like this. So here is a, so in second I'm giving some image, so it display like this. So this is a part 1 video. I hope that you understand what is image classification and what is Resnet 101 and how it will help you to carry on this kind of project here. What are the data set given like that. Remaining we will see in the upcoming session. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.